G'day ladies and gents. My name's Richard Simons. I'm very proud to own the Oldtimer Centre, the car dealership of 32 years here in Sydney. There's my mechanic driving past. So we're in the centre of Greater Sydney in Rydalmere at 29 Antoine Street. But it's my great pleasure today to talk to you about this Mercedes-Benz E400. It's a one-owner vehicle since new in this beautiful Obsidian black with black leather interior. And wow, it's got some fabulous features. It's been a one owner by a doctor in Sydney, traded in at Sanderson Mercedes-Benz. And if you were going to buy or trade in a car, that's the dealership you want. The eastern suburbs of Sydney, they service them meticulously. And we have already sent this car to a Mercedes expert around the corner for a full check over. So I'm going to talk a bit about the car. I'm going to waffle on a bit about our business. And we are the major sponsor here at the Mercedes-Benz Car Club. And I'm going to put my headphones down. It's only 100,000 kilometres from new. The year model of this beautiful vehicle is a 14. It was built in Germany in 13 in December. It's got Euro number plates. It's got a lovely panoramic style sunroof. The timber steering wheel. So you've got leather and timber, heated seats, air-conditioned seats. Even the seat belts feed to you conveniently. Lane change departure. The better alloy wheels. There's not a mark on the car. 100,000 Ks in 12 years. We don't have to do the maths for you, but it is really low. It ticks every box, this car. It's under 30 grand. It's black on black. It's got all the features, and you're dealing with somebody you can trust. We won the local business award here in Rydalmere, in Parramatta actually, for automotive excellence, and we absolutely love doing what we do. It's got the more modern seats, so not only are they air conditioned and heated, but it's got the air pneumatic settings on the sides, the bolsters just to hug you when you're driving. Really good if you've got a bad back. It has Harman Kardon sound. This would have been a very expensive car brand new. Memory electric chairs on both sides, both keys, push button electric steering wheel, and the radar distance cruise control. I mean, we're talking about a 12-year-old motor vehicle that's got options that you could only hope for today. The sound system is exceptional. It's a pretty small cabin and you've got about 8 million speakers and some other really cool features. Being a 14, you have split folding rear seats in a two-door coupe. That's very rare to be able to, I don't know, put your picnic bloody whatever it's called, umbrella through the back of the car and, I don't know, come and have a picnic. It's even got keyless start. So you just put the key in your pocket or in your handbag. I'm going to show you under here. Conveniently, you can charge up your battery. So the battery's in the boot, but you can charge it all from here where it's nice and brighter in your garage and not backed up against the wall. These are a 4-seater two-door coupe, pillarless. So all the glass you can see is not connected to these big ugly pillars. The Oldtimer Centre, as I said, we are the major sponsor of the Mercedes Car Club in New South Wales. It's a 3-litre 6-cylinder. It's the engine that people want. It's been meticulously maintained. It looks like it's been garaged. There's one or two tiny little marks, but we are talking about a very, very impressive car. What I love is all the wood and the timber is not marked. It's not peeling off like a lot of cars are. The Mercedes make probably the best car in the world, in my opinion. And I stand by the product. I think that, we give you an extended warranty for 1 year. You can have one for 5 years. You just got to pay a bit extra. They're great to drive, great to own, a very good size car, and we will properly inspect the car. I think it's got almost 12 months rego. So really, there should be no excuse to come down and meet us. I'm going to take the camera off the tripod so you can have a really, really good look at this gorgeous motor vehicle. And what a day Sydney's put on, absolute cracker. Look inside this car. Isn't it just gorgeous? And in the back, we'll get that brightness up a little bit so you can see. Look at that. Doesn't look like the doctor ever had anyone in the back of it. Did not use this as an ambulance. And thank goodness for that. And again, you can see there's those big fold down seats. Huge boot in an E-Class coupe. Reverse camera. Lovely Euro style number plates. E400 in black on black. The wheels are lovely. Keyless entry, keyless start. And as I said, only 102,000 kilometres. We'll start it up. It's a beautiful sounding motor vehicle, and you can see down here all of the bizzos and whizzos are there. There's no lights up on the dashboard. Steering wheel's lovely, but that really is nice, that timber extra section of the steering wheel. You've got reversing camera, navigation, heated seats again, air-conditioned seats. And, you know, if I put the car into reverse, you'll see it'll be having the camera showing you there where you're going to go. The Harman Kardon sound, as I've already said 17 times, is a very special option. Lovely under the engine bay. You can see here Mercedes really do jam it all in. But let me tell you, these aren't a car which are, with 100,000 kilometres, I don't think you'll be having any major issues for a very, very long time, if not ever. If you service this at Mercedes-Benz, but look at that beautiful, I mean, it is the perfect sunlight to photograph and video cars in. But that is a sexy looking car. It's got the more modern headlights. And black normally shows up a little bit of dirt, but not in this case. It's a February 14. There's that big roof. You can put roof racks on if you're an imbecile. But you do see people going down to the snow and stuff. I mean, I don't mean you're an imbecile, but it just doesn't look good. You know, get a car like that if you want to put roof racks on it. Not that. Look at that. That's a sexy two-door coupe. So first of all, a bit about us. We're here in Rydalmere. It's 9569 9999. More importantly, we need to talk about the rubbish in the car park every single week. It doesn't matter how many bins the people put around. Beer bottles, tissues, KFC wrappers. It's disgusting. What we'd love you to do is come down. You don't have to bring your rubbish collecting gear, but we'd love you to come down and have a look at this beautiful Mercedes-Benz. Not only do we sponsor the Mercedes Car Club, we are the platinum sponsor of the Sydney German Auto Fest car show. It's on every year in Gough Whitlam Park in Earlwood. This has 19-inch alloy wheels, both keys. Hello, hello. Prospective client. And really just needs a final detail and polish. Makes it easy to get in and out of the back. You can just pull that forward and the seat will, as you can see there, electronically move. You've got air conditioning dials in the back. Not dials, sorry. You've got buttons to control whether you want cold air or warm air in the back. So the perforated seats are gorgeous, and they do allow for that heating and cooling. So thanks for watching. We can't wait to meet you in person, and you have a lovely day.